Welcome to the quick session. In this video, or from this video, we will be starting web development course. Firstly, in this video, we will start with HTML. As web development includes HTML, CSS, Java, JavaScript, Node, React, and few more things. Okay. So for being an efficient programmer, we need to be very good in at typing. So I have mentioned a browser or site where you can learn efficient typing, that is keyword.com. And for being an efficient programmer, every programmer uses Stack Overflow, which is basically used to rectify or when a programmer gets stuck while writing any program or they can't find the mistakes they have done while writing a code or for any program. So yeah, you can use Stack Overflow for finding your mistakes, or if you are stuck, you can easily rectify your mistakes or problem. So yeah, Stack Overflow is quite efficient for you. You can take it in your daily like, coding use. Now let's come to the main content or part of this lecture, which is HTML. HTML basically includes this video will be the first lecture of HTML in the course of web development. So yeah, firstly we will discuss about element. What is element? Element includes three things: opening tags, content, and the third most is closing tag. As I have written here for you, here uh, in angular bracket, h1 is the opening tag, and the content, like here you can write book or anything you want. Okay, so hello world is content here, and slash forward slash, this is basically flow slash, and this is angular, this is angular bracket. So this is closing tag. Including all these three things, opening tags, content, and closing tags, will make HTML element. Uh, we, you may know or not, but let me tell you that you can write only up to 6 headings in HTML. You can't write seventh heading in HTML. So here, see, I have written some notes for you. Yeah. So there is no heading seventh headings in HTML. You can write up to only 6 uh, headings in the HTML. Furthermore, is second note is which is very quite important to consider while writing a program in HTML language. That is, if you are starting with opening tag h1, then you can't close it with closing tags h6, heading 6. You can't. You have to be very particular writing these things in the tag. And if you are starting with h1 heading 1 tag, you have to close it with this heading 1 only. Okay, so yeah, it will not be valid if you are doing like this. So yeah, you have to take care of these little things. This will make your code efficient and it will save your time. Okay, so let's move to the second part, which we have to, yeah, see. Let me zoom it for you. Yeah, so we have to keep something also in our mind, that what we should do while writing HTML code or what we shouldn't do while writing um, HTML code. So yeah, here, if you are writing HTML, heading 1 is the topmost heading. Okay, so you can't repeat heading 1 uh, twice or whatever time you want in HTML code. You can write heading 1 just once while a particular program. So you can't write heading 1 and 1 two times or twice in a HTML code. So you have to take care of these things also. And where if you are writing heading 1, then you have to move to heading 2 in HTML code. As I was discussing, so you have to move to the second heading after writing heading 1. You can't repeat heading 1 in HTML. And the second thing is that if you can't leave any heading, like if you are writing heading 1, then you can't skip heading 2. You have to write the heading in particular ways in like continuous way, like you write array program or whatever. In array you can't leave any other uh, data type or any vacant space. So here also in HTML you can't skip any heading. If you are writing heading 1, you can't jump to heading third. You have to write heading 1 then heading 2. So yeah, you must have to consider these things and use keep in mind while writing HTML. This will surely help you in writing HTML code. Let me show you some problem regarding HTML. Wait. In the next video, I will be writing a code which will give output like this, particularly like this. Okay. So till next video, you can try this, and uh, if you are able to code this particular output, this is basically output, but you have to type and get the result. If you are done with this particular code, let me know that you have done in the comment section. And in this second video, I will be giving you the solution of this particular output. Yeah, thank you.